The National Cloudy Service in Indianapolis has issued a stomach watch for Southern Cloudstone County in southern Stormy Land, Raven Rock County in southern Stormy Land, Ashford County in southern Stormy Land, Pine Valley County in southern Stormy Land, Redstone County in southern Stormy Land, North Hollow County in southern Stormy Land, Iron Ridge County in southern Stormy Land, Clearwater County in southern Stormy Land, until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:58 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, regional sensors indicated a large-scale atmospheric shift in dietary satiety. A massive wave of hunger is developing across southern Stormy Land, likely triggered by the sight of Baldy's recently restocked cafeteria. Hazard: acutely loud digestive rumbling and audible stomach growls. Source: delayed lunch periods and general nonsense. Impact: persistent distraction during math lessons, uncontrollable daydreaming about snacks, and possible embarrassment in quiet classrooms. Locations impacted include Baldy's Schoolhouse and surrounding communities, the Ashford Pod Depot, Pine Valley Picnic Grounds, and all major refrigerators. Precautionary/preparedness actions. A stomach watch means conditions are favorable for extreme hunger. Residents should prepare by locating emergency snack reserves. Keep a granola bar or an apple within reach at all times. Do not attempt to solve complex multiplication on an empty stomach, as brain fog may lead to angry principals. If a stomach warning is issued, seek immediate sustenance. Consume a sandwich or a small bowl of soup until the rumbling subsides. Stay tuned to the National Cloudy Service for further updates on this developing appetite.
So if you're feeling sad and low,
The National Cloudy Service in Indianapolis has issued a stomach warning for Southern Cloudstone County in southern Stormy Land, Raven Rock County in southern Stormy Land, Ashford County in southern Stormy Land, Pine Valley County in southern Stormy Land, Redstone County in southern Stormy Land, North Hollow County in southern Stormy Land, Iron Ridge County in southern Stormy Land, Clearwater County in southern Stormy Land, until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, civil authorities and school administrators confirmed that the scheduled lunch period has been canceled due to an unforeseen lack of food preparation. A state of extreme hunger is now imminent across the entire district. Hazard: severe stomach rumbling and audible growling exceeding 40 decibels. Source: an empty cafeteria at Baldy's Schoolhouse. Impact: decreased concentration, sudden irritability, and a complete inability to solve three-digit multiplication problems. Locations impacted include Baldy's Schoolhouse and surrounding communities. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take immediate action to mitigate hunger. Search all backpacks, desks, and coat pockets for emergency rations such as granola bars, crackers, or previously stowed sandwiches. If you are within range of a vending machine, secure sustenance immediately. Do not attempt to engage in intense physical education or advanced mathematics until the stomach growling has subsided. If you see a student with a box of raisins, negotiate fairly but quickly. Stay tuned to the National Cloudy Service for updates on potential afternoon snack deployments. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Baldy School District. A district-wide emergency dismissal is in effect for all campuses within the Baldy School District. The lunch period has been officially canceled, and Baldy has declared a nutritional emergency. Due to the complete absence of sustenance within the schoolhouse, the remainder of the academic day is canceled. All students and staff must vacate the premises immediately. Hazard: critical food shortage and uncontrollable hunger. Impact: loss of concentration and diminished problem-solving abilities. Instruction: you must find food elsewhere. Precautionary and preparedness actions. Students, proceed to your assigned bus loading zones immediately. Do not stop to collect extra notebooks or rulers. Parents, emergency pickup protocols are now in effect. Please coordinate transportation for your children. Staff, ensure all classrooms are locked before departing. Balti advises that he still hears every door opening. But for the remainder of the day, the only priority is locating a meal. Do not attempt to re-enter the building until tomorrow morning. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further updates regarding tomorrow's reopening status. This concludes the emergency message from the Balti School District.
Hi, I'm Speech of Fun Chill, your TTS voice. I help in severe weather.